Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to join Discord server without invite link. Joining a Discord server typically requires an invite link. However, if you do not have an invite link, here are a few ways to join a Discord server without one. These are the ways. Number one, server. You can do that through server discovery. That is public servers. Now, some servers are public and can be discovered through Discord server discovery feature. Now, these servers allow anyone to join without needing an invite link. So open your browser and go to the Discord web app and log in using your account credentials. Then head over to the left sidebar. On the left sidebar, okay, the next thing you need to do is to scroll down and click on this Discover option right next, just right there in the left navigation panel. So go ahead and click here. Or you can go ahead and click on this magnifying lens that is here. So let's use here, which is Discover. Now you can search for a server using the search bar that is here on the right corner. So, or browse through the available categories like home, gaming, music, entertainment, science and tech, education, student hubs. Now, once you find, so let's say this is gaming, and I click on the gaming tab, a couple of popular gaming servers will open. Now, once you find a server that you want to join, go ahead and click on it. Let's say, for example, this. So once you click on that, you'll be redirected to the servers page, where you can click the join server button to become a member. Here, join server. So once you click on join server, you'll be able to join the server. Now, if the next step is to join a server through a referral link, if provided. Now, if someone shares a referral link to the server in a public place like social media or a website, you can just join by clicking the provided link. Simply click the link and you'll be prompted to join the server via the Discord web app. Also, you can join through communities. That's if you're invited by a moderator or admin. Some public communities or groups might invite you without sending an explicit invite link. Now, if you're part of a Discord-related community, example Reddit or forum or a social media group, you may come across moderators or admins who can add you to their server. So just contact an admin or moderator through the community and ask if they can send you an invite or grant access to the server. Step 4 is to join via Discord bots. That's public server listings. Now, some servers list their invite links with Discord bots. So you might come across bots that offer server invites directly within communities or on specific websites. So search for bot-based servers through websites that list public Discord servers or use bot commands to request an invite. Now, most servers are private and require an invite link for access. Without an invite link, you cannot join these private servers. Now, ensure that the server you want to join is public or listed in the Discord server discovery. Private servers won't be visible here. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.